Hi, good morning friends, and welcome to this second video session for unit number 2. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together by Gordon Cook and Alan East, right? As I discussed in the previous video, I have given you information about the paper style for the 11th science and 11th commerce, right? Then how the basic structure of the paper style is different for science and commerce, but our approach to learn English or to study English is same one, because it can help both the streams in getting good marks as well as develop your English efficiency. Okay, so I think it's probably 1 week about discussion. So let us revise this discussion first. Okay, as you know that this is an autobiographic type of article in which author write about his own journey by following the route of the previous sailor, brave sailor, Captain James Cook, right? And you all know that it's very open information to all that Captain James Cook start from Europe and ends with a new discovery of Australia continent. So this is what the thing is. Okay. Now let us revise the character of the lesson first. Right. We do have a characters narrator. Narrator means Gordon Cook and Alan East. Then his wife Mary, daughter Susan, and son Jonathan. These are the 4 main characters in this story. They all are on the boat, right? Wave Walker. Wave Walker is the name of the boat, on which they start their sailing from here, that means Europe, to Cape Town, Africa, and to Australia. So this is their plan for sailing. No doubt about they start their sailing on July 1976, right? And they started their sail from Plymouth, England, and plan to reach Australia. So it's a very big sailing plan. They spent their long 16 years for this preparation, because it's not a cup of tea to prepare for this big route. So they spent 16 years, they practice sailing, they means save money, then make a huge boat that's 23 meter long and 13 ton, right? Because they have a plan to follow the Cook routes that Cook organized or discovered 200 years ago, and almost as I said that they spent 16 years for this sailing preparation. Okay, now their first phase journey, that means their first phase journey is England to Africa. This is the first phase journey of them. Okay, for a while, just I'm going to I will be back very short. Okay. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay. Now they spent long 16 years, right, to prepare for this sailing, and they want to sail, or they organize their journey or plan their sea journey on the route of Captain James Cook. That was almost 200 years ago. Captain James Cook started his journey from Europe to Australia. Same journey they planned to do. In their first phase journey, they started from England and stopped here. That is their first phase journey. Okay, I'm going to draw the route of their first phase journey. So they stopped here. Then from Africa, they got 2 new sailors. So from here, right, they got 2 new sailors, an American Larry Vigil and Swiss Herb Sigler. Right? So almost on the boat from England, The narrator is by Mary, daughter Suzanne and son Jonathan were on the boat, and after first phase journey they got two new expert sailors because the sea from here to here, right, is little stormy, right, and the weather would might be rough, then tide may be high, right. So in totally opposite circumstances they plan to go ahead, and that's why they take a help of these two new sailors named, right, Larry, Vigil and Singer. Now what happened when they start or enter into this ocean, right, after Arabian Ocean to Indian Ocean, right, they start to meet a rough weather. Rough weather means all of a sudden the wind start to blow very hard, then rain falling, tide wave means wave got higher, storm the ride. Such kind of opposite circumstances create when they met means Indian Ocean. Now as a part of this, right, on the second day of Cape Town, that means here is a Cape Town, right? Here is a Cape Town. So from here, on the second day of the Cape Town, right, they met a strong wind, right, and high waves. So strong wind and 15-meter high waves. Think about 15-meter high waves. So 15 meter is approximately 45 feet, right, almost a one building or a two-floor house, 2-3 floor house maybe. So such kind of huge waves they met, and even though in such kind of bad weather, they 25th of December on the Christmas, they celebrate Christmas on the wave walker, that means in that boat, and continue to go ahead. Now what happened on January 2nd, the wave was high. That means better to say really huge, right? So on the January 2nd, the wave was high. That means really huge, and they met an accident. So such kind of thing. This is up to now discussion. I revise for you people, right? I'm going to allot you few seconds. That means 15 seconds. Note down this point that help you a lot to understand the revision. Okay, so note it down please. Now what happened, right, after the Christmas, that means 25th of December, they start, they got trouble from the weather. Is the reason what happened, the weather became worse and worse by passing a day. Now all of a sudden they met an accident, and what happened then? Here on the first indication of disaster came at about 6 AM on January 2nd. So on January 2nd, they got a warning from the weather. All of a sudden what happened? Everything becomes silent, right? The wind stopped, the waves didn't be stormy, then silence occurred into the atmosphere. So silence, there was a very vast silence, then sky became dark and wind dropped, right? It means that they got some favorable circumstances. They hope that the weather may be favorable for the sailing. But it was not like that. It's totally opposite. As a result, what happened? All of a sudden, a high wave hit the boat, right? A very high wave, right? As I told you in a previous discussion, right? In the first video and in the beginning of this video also, right? 15 to 20 meter high waves. So this kind of wave or extremely strong wave hit the boat, and as a result what happened, the boat became wrecked and the sailor on the boat right, got injured. If we talk about narrator heads, right, stuck with the wheel of the boat. You know that in the big boat there is a wheel, right, and with the help of the wheel, the driver means boat driver drive the boat. So narrator drives the boat, and that's why due to the heavy thrust of the wheel, right, his head struck on the wheel and he got injured. Mary, Suzanne, right, and the two American sailor, both means all the characters on the boat or sailor on the boat get injured. Now, see what happened. High waves hit the boat, rag boat, and then around the deck like a rag roll, cracking his left ribs and breaking his teeth. So from this top or from this point we can understand how strong hit they got from the wave, right? Because author or narrator lost the teeth, right? His teeth got racked. And think about the situation. If once the teeth, all of a sudden your teeth get break, right? You feel a very problematic pain, right? Or intolerable pain in body. So even though in such kind of situation, right, they maintained their willpower and didn't lose the hope. See, and how he was they were injured. See, rag boat, and then around the deck like a rag roll, right? Rag roll. So they rag like a roll, they rag like a roll. Then his left ribs, you know, right? And breaking his teeth. Now, they survived for 15 years. That means such kind of they trained themselves, right, from last 15 years, and that helped them. The training of last 15 years helped them to survive. So on morning 3rd January, they had started to pump out the water, right? So in the boat was very huge, 13 tons, as I told you, right? It was not a small boat for paddling or common boat with the sailing facilities or manual sailing. But this was extremely very nice boat, right? Having a 13 ton of weight and 23 meter long. So it's not easy. Means all of a sudden it cannot be go into the sea. So they managed to survive because they had a very vast experience with the 15 years in sailing, and that's why they had pump out the water, right? So they start to pump out the water, so the boat managed to be on the water. You may suppose if you want to understand this lesson with visual images, then you must prepare yourself by memorize that some of the scenes of the Titanic movie, right? You may see Titanic movie when the ship break by the iceberg, right? Then the water entered into the big sea, and gradually how the people jump into the sea, and slowly the ship get in a this shape, and then finally break off and then fall into the water. Now same kind of situation is here, but this was a small boat, but they used huge ship like Titanic. So they started to pump out the water, and what happened then? They find that the water in the boat is due to the leak below the water level. So every boat have a bottle, having a bottle. So the leak was there in a water line, and due from that leak, the water come inside the boat, and that's why what happened? That's why the plenty of water deposited into the boat. So the boat, almost the structure of the boat was disturbed, right, or break almost. Only some starboard and cupboard partition, right? These two things, starboard and cupboard partition, pitching or means joining the boat. Otherwise, the structure was right completely collapsed. So due to the starboard and cupboard partition, the boat get hold. Then they all were injured, but they tolerated their pain and never didn't lose their willpower, and they got a willpower, or they think that we managed to survive if we live together. Now, due to the high waves, right, their boat was thrusted to the wrong route, right. In the sea, there is a route of sea, right. Obviously, the ships are always passing through a particular route, right. They never go through a wrong route, because there are lots of problems in the sea also, right. Suppose problem of iceberg, some problems of stormy weathers. So experts also decided a sea route, and the sailors always passes through the route, that decided route. So they escape themselves, or they manage to escape themselves with a good route and favorable circumstances. But due to these high waves, this boat, right, wave walker, reached to the wrong route, right, because the high waves thrusted it to the wrong route, and that's why due to this wrong route, they didn't get any help from any passing ships. Even they make a mayday calls, right? It's a name of calls, mayday calls through the satellite phone, right? To get the help in the sea. But they didn't get, they failed in all the calls. They didn't get any reply, they didn't get any help. Finally, narrator made a some calculation and think that, okay, we are in this location. So if we sail for 100 kilometers, then we reach to islands. Then gradually, without losing a hope, right, they continue with the sailing, and finally they reach to one island, right, Il Amsterdam, nearby Australia, right, and they step on that island and feel happy, right. The boy and the girl, right, both thanks to his papa, right, for his brave sailing, expertise skill in the sailing, right, and they all manage to live. So here, if we justify the title, right, we are not afraid to die if we can all together, right. So they do a teamwork in a very bad circumstances and tolerate that problem. They never be personalized. They do the teamwork and finally escape themselves. So here, this is a very brief summary of this lesson, right? It's my very little attempt to make you aware or make you familiar what is the story about. Now, your homework. What you should do, right? So when you see this video 1 or 2 times, then you get introduction, story, overall idea of the story. That's my complete promise to you. When you go through this video 2 or 3 times, right? It's not a cup of tea, because this approach is very new approach for you people. So I hope that you have to go through video 2-3 times, okay? And if you like this video, please subscribe. So that can also help me. Now, open your textbook and go read the lesson very carefully, right? Then underline the phrases, underline the idioms, underline the new vocabularies, right? And I hope that being an English medium student, you do have a dictionary. So consult your dictionary, try to find out the meaning and write down in your notebook. First, listed the word, phrases and idioms that you don't know. Then, what to do? Find out the meaning. Then, read the story again. When you read the story again, that will enrich your vocabulary, that will enrich your understanding power, and that will help you to understand, right, the lesson completely. Okay. When you with this process, then go for the exercise. Try to understand, means answer the following question, go for the writing task, right, and do your best. Okay. So here in the crisis of COVID-19, I can help you with this way. Okay. If you do have any problem, right, you can come to school or contact me on phone, right, and get my guidance to solve the exercise. But here the unit 2 is over, and that is your responsibility to complete textbook exercise in your notebook. Okay. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Thank you.